Who are you to assume they're not serious?
Look at their work.
I have.
Not like you usually look at things like an overeager undergraduate.
I have.
And what do you see?
Never mind.
No, you look at their work. Tell me what you see.
This moment, right now.
And all those flags and comic books and soup cans.
This moment, right now, and a little bit tomorrow.
And you think that's a good thing?
It's neither good nor bad, but it's what people want.
That's exactly my point.
So art shouldn't be popular at all now?
It shouldn't only be popular.
You may not like it, but nowadays as many people are genuinely moved by Frank Stella as by Mark Rothko.
That's nonsense.
Don't think so?
You know what's wrong with those artists? It's exactly what you said. They're painting for now. For now! That's it. It's completely temporal, completely disposable, like Kleenex, like
Capital suits, like comic books.
Do you really believe Andy Warhol will be hanging in museums in 100 years alongside Bruegels and the Vermeers?
He's hanging alongside Rothko now.
That's because those goddamn gallery owners will do anything for money, cater to any wicked taste. That's business, young man, not art.
You ever get tired of telling people what art is?
No, not until they learn. Better you should tell me. Fuck off.